In this video we are going to learn how to make a triple crochet or treble crochet. This stitch has two names and it is very similar to double crochet stitch. It's just a little bit longer and involved two yarn overs over the hook instead of one like in double crochet. Also, if you'll take a piece of paper and if you already have a notebook and a pen, and write down some important points that you need to know about treble crochet. First of all, the foundation chain has to be 3 stitches longer than what you desire to have. So for example, we are going to make a piece of 10 stitches, and you will have to crochet a foundation chain of 13 stitches. So 3 stitches that we will add extra stitches will be the height of the row. Another important point that the turning chain for treble crochet is 4 stitches long. Also, another important point is that when you crochet a second and the following rows, you will insert the hook into the 5th stitch from the hook, 5th stitch on the chain from the hook. So let's take a piece of yarn. You already have to get ready and have a chain made out of 10 stitches. I made 7 plus 3, so I have 10, but if you make a piece to practice with a little bit more stitches, always add 3 more stitches. So now we're ready to crochet. So make yarn over, then again yarn over. Or another way of saying it will be wrap around the hook yarn twice. Now I would recommend, if you are a beginner and learning how to crochet, to hold with the right hand this yarn over here, that it will not unravel as you go and insert the hook into the chain. It's easy to lose this part. So now insert the hook into the 5th stitch on the chain, on the 5th stitch from the hook. So first stitch we don't count, it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So insert the hook into the 5th stitch, and now you have 4 stitches on the hook. Wrap the yarn around the hook and pull this yarn through first 2 stitches. It will leave you with 3 stitches on the hook. Again, grab the yarn and pull this yarn through next 2 stitches on the hook, leaving 2 stitches on the hook. Again, grab the yarn and pull it through both stitches. So now we have a triple crochet stitch. Let's do it one more time together. 1, 2. So wrap around the hook the yarn twice, then insert the hook into the next stitch on the chain, grab the yarn and pull it through the stitch, and you have 4 stitches on the hook. Grab the yarn and pull the yarn through both stitches, first 2 stitches, like this. You have 3 stitches on a hook. Again, grab yarn and pull this yarn through next 2 stitches. Have 2 stitches on a hook. Again, yarn around the hook and pull it through both stitches. Yarn over, yarn over. Insert the hook into the next stitch. Grab the yarn, pull the yarn through the stitch. Have 4 stitches on a hook. Grab the yarn and pull it through first 2 stitches. Have 3 stitches on a hook. Grab the yarn and pull the yarn through first 2 stitches. Have 2 stitches on a hook. Grab the yarn and crochet and pull it through remaining 2 stitches. And this way continue to crochet to the end of the row. And we always making in the last stitch that was previously was the base stitch. Last stitch in that base stitch. And now we have the first row of triple crochet stitches. The next step is turning chain. So remember, if you wrote it down, or just remember that the turning chain for treble crochet is 4 stitches. So chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Turn your work. Yarn overs, 2, and insert the hook into the 5th stitch from the hook. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's right here. So this way continue to the end of the second row and do the same thing again over and over again till you will have the results you want, till you practice to make the stitch correctly, that it will look right and beautiful, and all your chains and stitches will be the same height and size. Also, I'm making the stitch, and if you notice, I'm crocheting into both loops of the previous row. I'm going under both of the both loops. You can try to make 2 more swatches with treble crochet by inserting your hook into the front and into the back loops, and see how it will look like, how different will be your fabric. So here we go. This is our treble crochet stitch. So everything repeat the same way as I was doing for the second row, and if you want to practice a little bit more, you can make bigger piece and practice crocheting triple crochet or treble crochet. So the main important thing is 2 yarn overs, and when you insert the hook into the stitch, and you have these 4 stitches now, so the pattern is coming the same. Crochet through 2, again yarn over, crochet through 2 stitches, and again yarn over, crochet through 2 stitches. Very easy to remember and very easy to make. So practice, and we'll see you next lesson.